Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the JavaScript errors on your Windows. So I'm going to share to you different methods and ways, so you just need to follow the best method or solution that will work for you. So first is we need to open the web browser. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type Chrome. Now you have to select Google Chrome under the best match. Then you have to click on the three dots at the top right corner, that is to customize and control the Chrome browser. Scroll down and you'll find settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select this option about Chrome, which is at the very bottom. Now click on that. So once you click on that, that will automatically update your Chrome browser. So we need to make sure that the browser that we are using is up to date. And then scroll up, and still in the options on the left pane, you have to select privacy and security. We also need to delete the cookies and cache because corrupted cookies can also be the cause. Then you'll find delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. Click on that. You have two options on how you can delete the browsing data. It could be basic or advanced. Go to advanced. Time range, you have to change that to all time. Browsing history, check. Download history, check. Cookies and other site data, check. Cached images and files, check. Site settings checked, hosted up data checked, but do not check the password and the autofill form data because that will just clear your saved passwords in the Chrome browser. Finally, click on delete data. We also need to disable faulty extensions, so click on extensions. So in my case, I have just removed the extensions on my Chrome browser. So in your case, you have to disable those extensions which are faulty or which are unnecessary for you, or you can completely remove that, especially if you're not using that extension. Then go back to settings window. Click on privacy and security. Scroll down and you have to click on security. Scroll down and you'll find advanced, and you'll find this option manage V8 security. Turn on additional protection in Chrome's JavaScript and WebAssembly engine. Make sure that you're going to check this box. Sites can use the V8 optimizer. Chrome's runs faster and features that use JavaScript should work as designed. And then once done, close out of here. For the next method, we also need to make sure that the firewall is turned off, also the real-time protection, because that can block the JavaScript. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type security. Now you'll find Windows security. Go ahead and click on that. Click on virus and threat protection. Click on manage settings. Then turn off the real-time protection. Click on firewall and network protection. Click on domain network. Turn off the Microsoft Defender firewall. Then for the next method, we also need to make sure that our Windows is up to date. So click on the start button and go to settings. Click on Windows Update in the left pane and click this button, check for update. So that's it. If any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.